Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to configure a momentary push button using the button object. To begin, open the Common Controls category in the visualization toolbox and locate the button object. Then drag the button onto the visualization screen. Now, this object offers several configuration options, including appearance settings such as colors, borders, and fill style. For this example, I'll start by configuring the button text. So under the text properties, I'll enter a label to identify the object. I'll simply use the text button. As you can see, it shows up here. Now, the most important configuration, however, is found under Input Configuration, if you scroll down here, where we define how the button behaves. And there are two main operating modes available, toggle and tap. In the toggle mode, the button works like a maintain switch, and each click changes the state and keeps it latched. In the tap mode, the button works like a momentary push button and remains active only while it is being pressed. For this demonstration, I'll select the tap mode. Next, I'll expand the tap configuration and assign a variable. So let's assign the output tree variable. Okay. Now, whenever the button is pressed, it will write a true value to output 03. Now, to monitor the status of this variable, I'll add a lamp object. But instead of creating a new one from scratch, I'll just copy an existing lamp using Ctrl+C and then do Ctrl+V to paste it. Now, notice that when an object is copied, all of its properties are copied as well. And because of that, I need to update the lamp's variable assignment. So in the Properties panel, I'll change the variable to output 03. Okay, I'll also change the lamp's color from blue to yellow. This should make it different. Let's log in into the controller. Now, notice the difference between this button right here and the toggle type controls we used previously. A toggle control like this one remains in its current state after being clicked. If you click it once, the variable becomes true and stays true until you click it again. A momentary push button behaves differently. The variable remains true only while the button is being held down. As soon as you release the mouse button, the variable immediately returns to false. The same thing happens if you move the mouse pointer away from the button while pressing it. As a result, the variable stays true only during the actual press operation. This behavior is very similar to a physical push button used in industrial control systems. Momentary buttons are commonly used for functions such as start commands, jog operations, reset commands, acknowledge functions, and temporary manual actions. So whenever you need a variable to remain active only while the operator is pressing a button, the tap mode of the button object is the appropriate choice. This is it for this video, and I see you on the next one.